With just 16 beds at Santa Barbara County's psychiatric health facility, many people who are experiencing a mental health crisis must go elsewhere. I'm community reporter Juliette Lamar in Santa Barbara, looking into how mental health is impacting ER wait times.
Suzanne Grimacy with County Behavioral Health tells me there are just 16 involuntary mental health beds for the entire county of Santa Barbara.
This place is almost always full. Yeah.
Because psychiatric hospitals are notoriously high cost, Grimacy says creating more won't happen anytime soon.
And historically, federal and state funding hasn't been adequate.
But mental health calls are expanding. Last year, Grimacy says the mobile crisis team responded to an average of 180 crisis evaluation calls per month, compared to 149 a month in 2023.
But many times that intervention at the right time can avoid a bigger crisis and avoid the need for hospitalization.
The mobile crisis team and the newly added 8-bed crisis stabilization unit have lessened the strain on local hospitals, which are often the first stop during a mental health crisis.
We need to be able to help an individual in crisis get to a psychiatric hospital in a timely way. And for that, we need more hospital beds.
Cottage Hospital's psychiatric director Paul Erickson tells me people experiencing psychiatric crisis often have to wait days in the ER before being admitted.
I see many individuals in the emergency department who need a hospital bed for their psychiatric crisis. It's difficult to access those beds.
Erickson says this does not impact other ER patients' care. Although there has been an increase in need, Grimacy says the county's crisis continuum is helping people get the help they need.
About 65% of them would end up needing to be hospitalized. The data now shows about 45% of the calls, of which are higher, end up needing to be hospitalized. So it tells us that we're going in the right direction.
If you or someone you know is experiencing a mental health crisis, call the county hotline at 888-868-1649. In Santa Barbara, Juliette Lamar, KSBY News.